Open up your heart. Open up your mind. See what you can see. Find what you can find. Believe what you believe. Achieve what you achieve. And you'll succeed. Whenever you call out His name, whenever you feel like you're to blame, whenever you're lost and you are all alone, whenever you're so far away, whenever you feel like you're ashamed, whenever you feel you're out there, I know that deep inside your heart finds when you are and you're not falling apart, that you know that deep inside of you that you're beautiful, you're wonderful, you're hopeful and to see. Open up your heart. Open up your mind. See what you can see. Find what you can find. Achieve and you'll believe. Even you will hope and succeed. You are better than you are. You know you are by far so wonderful, beautiful, and so sweet. You can be perfect, you can be. You can succeed, you can achieve. You can hope for so many things. And find it deep inside your heart. You will be so happy that you'll never feel like you're apart. Open up your heart. Open up your mind. See what you